Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to link PayPal to eBay. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or download the PayPal application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already had not done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and link PayPal to eBay. But first of all, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So, as you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options. We also have the send and request and other different options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and link PayPal to eBay. So of course, you'll need to have an eBay account for this also. Go create one on ebay.com, then log into your eBay account and go to My eBay. Click the account tab and then click the PayPal account link under the payment section. Click the link My PayPal account button, log into your PayPal account to finish linking your accounts. And then when you log into your PayPal account and finish linking your accounts, guys, what you need to do, of course, is go and if you don't have a PayPal account yet, go and click the sign up button instead, and you'll be signed up to PayPal. You have both accounts and they will be then automatically linked. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.